In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload MP4 files on Shopify. Whether you're looking to add a video to showcase a product, offer a tutorial, or enhance your site with engaging content, uploading MP4 files is a straightforward process on Shopify. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly and quickly. First, you'll want to access your Shopify admin panel. Once there, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. From this menu, you'll need to click on the Content option. This is your gateway to managing various media and text elements across your Shopify site. After you select Content, the next step is to go to Files. This section is crucial because it's where all your currently uploaded files reside, both those actively being used on your site and those awaiting their turn to shine. With the Files section open, you'll see a curated list of files that are either currently in use or available for future endeavors on your Shopify site. It provides a comprehensive view of everything you've uploaded, making it easy to manage your digital assets. Now, to upload an MP4 file, you have two easy options. You can either drag and drop your MP4 file directly into this space, which is wonderfully quick and intuitive, or, if you prefer, you can use the Upload Files button located at the top right corner. Clicking this button will open your File Explorer, allowing you to navigate through your folders and select the exact file you wish to upload. After selecting your file with the Upload button or through drag and drop, a little patience is all that's required as you wait for the upload process to complete. The speed of this will depend on the size of your file and your internet connection. But once uploaded, you're all set. With your MP4 file now hosted within the Shopify system, you're free to utilize it across your site whenever and wherever you choose. This means you won't have to go through the uploading process again anytime you want to use this video. It's readily available for you to embed in product pages, blog posts, or any other spot where it will add value to your site. And there you have it, a simple yet effective process to upload MP4 files onto your Shopify site, preparing your content library for more dynamic and engaging customer experiences. It's all about maximizing efficiency and ensuring your site is equipped with the lively multimedia elements it needs. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.